plugged up my negative terminal too, and my positive terminal. Yeah, bro. But as you can see right here, I do have the plug and stuff for the airbag. What you gonna see is, bro. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man. And I know y'all boys see I got my head twisted or whatnot. But this video, bro, I'm gonna drop this video on New Year's Day, bro. January 1st, bro. And I know y'all see by that title and that thumbnail, bro. I told y'all boys I was gonna show y'all how to install the SRT airbag, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, before I start this video, man, y'all gotta like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Comment down below, bro, because I really don't see nobody doing videos like this, bro. And now, you know me, bro, I'm gonna show y'all everything, bro. So without further ado, bro, let's get into the video, gang. So look, bro, I'm about to show y'all something. As you can see, boom. Yeah, y'all wasn't ready for that one, huh? Y'all wasn't ready for that one. Nah, so look, basically, bro, I already took this apart. And I'm gonna show you, right there is the actual airbag that goes under this. But this is literally just a cover. When you get the SRT airbag, I'm gonna put the link in the description so y'all can go cop, bro. But literally, this, and it's actually, you're gonna be able to get this for probably like $400 something. So less than 500, bro. All you really gotta do is know how to rewire though. Cause you see the wire that goes to the like you gotta find somewhere to wire it up. I had a friend of mine wire it up for me because I'm not really too good with electrical work. So if y'all could see what he wired it up to, and you feel me, let me kinda show y'all. So you see that this black negative right here. Let me let it focus real quick. This black negative plug actually going into whatever black plug this is. This is actually for the airbag, might be. This plug that go inside the back of the airbag, right here, that top plug right there. So that's what he plugged up my negative terminal to, and my positive terminal, he plugged it in to somewhere inside this plug right there. I'm not sure where at exactly, but you can see it's somewhere right there. It's somewhere in there, bro. But basically, I'm gonna show y'all how to take out the airbag too, because first you gonna have to unplug your battery. Unplug your battery from your car, bro. But me, as you can see, if you can see right here, I cut my airbag wires. I cut my wires. I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you why. As you can see, this is my OEM. This is the old one. I'm going to show you. I'm just getting a thumbnail real quick, but I wanted to show y'all. I had to show y'all real quick. You feel me? Let me show y'all. As you can see, I cut my airbag wires. A lot of people probably like, why did you cut it? You could just get them to rewire it and whoop-whoopty. The reason I cut it, bro, because honestly, bro, I know a little bit about cars, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And me, if I ever was to get in an accident, I don't want an airbag in the steering wheel blowing up in my face, bro. So that's why I just cut my airbag wires. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just told them cut it, bro, because I don't care if I get in an accident. I'm gonna be alright, bro. I just don't want an airbag whacking me in my shit. You feel me? I just don't want no airbag whacking me. That's really it, bro. But as you can see right here, I do have the plug and stuff for the airbag and all that. I just don't have it snapped in. So when you order off of eBay, when you order this SRT airbag, what you gonna see is, bro, let me show you what you gonna see. As you see, you gonna have to, this what you gonna have to do, bro. I'm about to show you. So as you can see right here, gang, this is my old SRT airbag cover, right? Oh, snap, that bit dropped. But as you can see on the sides, they got like snaps and stuff on the sides. The snaps on the side, if you look at the actual airbag, it snaps in. So I'm gonna show you on this one actually. On this one, you can see it's just a cover, but the cover literally is just snapped in, bro. That's all it really is, you feel me? It's just a cover. So all you gotta do is just remove the cover, like slowly but surely. You gotta unsnap. You gotta unsnap each and every little clip around the airbag. Unsnap all these clips, bro. And it's gonna kind of be hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's gonna be a little hard. It's not gonna be that easy, bro. But once you unsnap all the clips, you should just have the cover alone, and it's gonna look like this. This gonna be the cover. This gonna be one part, and this gonna be the other part, the actual airbag. You feel me? But when you doing this, bro, make sure you unplug your battery, because my airbag is not plugged up. So that's why my airbag not blowing up in my face right now, bro. But when y'all do it, make sure you unplug the battery, bro. So, alright, next up, I'm about to show y'all, bro. A lot of people gonna be like, how do you pop out the airbag from the steering wheel? Boom, I'm about to show you right now. This what we finna do. This the OEM steering wheel, right? And it's the SRT airbag. So as you can see, it snaps in. They got clips on the back. You see these little metal, it's two metal, it's like two little metal, I ain't gonna say wires, but like little metal, I don't know what to call it. But basically, bro, as you can see, all you gonna need is a flathead, and that's why I have it right there. If I snap it in, you see on the side, they got them two holes. You gotta literally put this flathead up through them two holes, and when you do that, it's like you gonna unsnap them two little snaps on the back. You gotta push them in. So let me show you. I know a lot of people probably not gonna understand, cause I already took it apart. But basically, like, you gonna be pushing the snap inward so it come out. I'm gonna show you. Like, when it's actually on the when it's actually in the steering wheel and stuff, them metal I really don't know what to call these, bro. But these little two metal things you see right there, they got one right here and they got one on this side. They actually clip onto here to hold the airbag and stuff in place. So y'all gotta make sure you come on the side of your steering wheel, which on the side of your steering wheel you should have two holes. You should have two holes on the side of the steering wheel, bro. So literally, poke a flathead screwdriver or whatever you gotta poke through there. Get it up through there. If you know anybody who know how to take off the steering wheel, it's real easy, bro. It's not that hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I can't really do a tutorial because, you feel me, I only got one hand. I don't got a hand to hold the camera right now. So basically, bro, this is how you install the SRT airbag cover. So as you can see, you gonna have this, and this is what I recommend. Before you snap it on, before I snap it on, I'm gonna put this one, the one that's as you can see, that got the wire from it, the actual RGB airbag. I'm gonna snap it over like this, put it in place. Boom. So boom, my bad, y'all. As y'all can see, we got the it snapped in and everything. And me, honestly, with this airbag, I actually had to like break off a couple of the airbag pieces. As you can see, like the snaps and stuff, you might have to break it off, bro. Just like on the top and like the top sides of it, you gonna have to break them pieces off. Like you can see, I broke it off a little bit. Let me see. I broke my pieces off, as you can see. But I broke it off just so the actual the airbag and everything could fit. And all you gonna have to do, you feel me, is just make sure, you know, the wires and stuff all in there, and they not really getting messed up or hitting nothing. Just put them at the bottom or anywhere really out the way, you feel me. But you gotta wire it up to the steering wheel, unless if you wire it up to anywhere else, when you turn the steering wheel, it's not gonna, like, it's gonna mess up the wire. It probably unplug itself or some more stuff. But as you can see, it's literally a snap on. So all you do is hit that mud sucker, it snapped in, you feel me? It snapped in just like that. So basically, now you got you a full SRT airbag on your Jeep, bro, for a little bit of nothing, you feel me? Less than, I think they be charging like $1,000 plus for these airbag covers and all that, bro. But you could get it for literally online right now for like $300-$400. So, and I showed y'all how to wire it up, how to set everything back up, and the horn do work too. They got another plug for the horn, so don't think the horn and stuff won't work. But I mean, if you plug everything back up, everything gonna work the same way. But me personally, I don't want an airbag right here, because if it was to blow, think about it, it'll mess this up too. So it's like, you gotta really think about if you want to plug your airbag up and have this on there too. I mean, me personally, I don't I don't really mind, bro. I put on my seatbelt and stuff. I'm not gonna drive crazy, you feel me? I ain't no speed demon or nothing like that. So I'm not gonna be driving crazy to really even be able to get in the accident like that. You feel me? But I just wanna let y'all know, man, I suggest y'all do plug up y'all airbags and stuff if y'all wanna be safe. But just think about it. If you do plug up your airbag and something do happen, you feel me, you could potentially mess up this and you'll have to buy another airbag cover. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's really y'all decision, you feel me? But I just was showing y'all boys how to install the airbag cover, because this the actual regular one. You can find this on eBay too. If y'all won't buy this, bro, I might keep it just in case if I ever want revert back. I probably don't, but if I get another Mopar, I might need this, so I might hold on to it. If one of y'all want it, just let me know, bro. Because it's just airbag cover. Not like I'm gonna use it like that. But basically, bro, this video, bro, I just wanted to show y'all boys the full process on like how to install the SRT airbag. And next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how to take off the whole steering wheel, bro. So literally, we gonna take off just like how this one look right now, bro. You see how this one look right now? We gonna take off the whole steering wheel, gang. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Next video gonna be crazy. And Happy New Year to each and every one of y'all, bro. Because I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit about to be crazy, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. So just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Young Jay. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next video, gang. Peace.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.